Racetrack Speeder. To make the rail car more lively and interesting. Play on many occasions, spiced tracks, diverse changes. Bottom Sucker Super Suction. Enhanced playability. With full of power, the car easily goes up a 75-degree slope. Super strong grip does not derail. Luminous track play more exciting. Make your orbital world richer and more wonderful. A cool car with bright lights. Flexible track-free twist molding. Challenging difficult track modeling, cool speed. Whimsical three-dimensional spaces foster focus and imagination. All kinds of modeling DIY. You can play all you want. Varied and free to roam. Racetrack Speeder, come and take the challenge.